नमस्ते स्टूडेंट, खुश रहो बिटिया. I am JVN Dr. Meenakshi Maheshwari, Assistant Professor in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going about discuss the business organization. In this subject, our topic is Article of Association, AOA. So let's start about AOA. The Article of Association is a document that define the purpose of a company and specify the regulation for its operation. The document outline how tasks should be accomplished within an organization, include the preparation and management of financial record and the process of direct appointment. The Article of Association can be considered the constitution of a company. It outlines the rules and regulations that stipulate of a company's internal affairs. The Article of Association are also considered a user's manual for an organization that states the purpose of the organization and its strategy to accomplish its short-term and long-term goal. Generally, the AOA include a company's legal name, address, purpose, equity capital, organization of the company, financial provision and provisions regarding the shareholder meeting. Components of the Article Association. The Article of Association will usually specify the way a company issues stock, distributed dividend, and the perform financial records. The document is focused on giving the reader information about the method a company used to achieve its daily, monthly, and yearly goals. The Articles of Association are relatively similar in any part of the world, even though the exact term and its vary across jurisdiction. In generally, it includes the following. In first one, provision on the company name. Second is purpose of the company and share capital, organization of the company, and provision on shareholders meeting. First one is company name. A company must adopt an official name as a legal entity. It must be present in the Articles of Association. Usually the following include limited are used to show that an entity is a company. The word government or church cannot be used in name because it might confuse the public. Also, words that are offensive and vulgar are also prohibited. Purpose of the company. Companies are incorporated for a specific reason. Primarily, it is for profit reason to pursue a certain goal by delivering value to society. The reason or purpose of the organization must be clearly stated in the Articles of Association. Some jurisdiction allows for very broad purpose statements like management, while others require a more detailed purpose of an enterprise, the operation and growth of a restaurant chain. Next is share capital. The Article of Association will state the number and type of shares comprising a company's capital. Typically, there is always at least one form of common shares that makes up its capital. Additionally, one can also see several types of preferred stock. If information about stock is found in the Articles of Association, it means they can be issued by the company when there is a need for funding. Next is organization of the company. The documentation includes legal information about the company, including the registration address, the number of directions and employees, and the identity of the founder and original shareholder. Legal advisor and auditors may also appear here depending on the type of business and community. Next is shareholder meeting. The first general shareholder meeting provision are listed in the shareholder meeting section. Notice, resolution and votes are detailed as well as in the some section governing substitution annual shareholder meeting. Company is required to file an article of association. The following entities must file their own article of association. In first one is unlimited companies. The document must include the number of employees and the amount of shareholder capital, if any. Second is companies limited by guarantee. The document must specify the number of members with which the company will be registered. Third is private company limited by shares. The document must include the provision restricting and any transfer of shares, a limit of 15 members, and the provision of invitation to the public or share purchase in the form of stock or debentures. Here the description of AOA. I will repeat. What is Article of Association? Article of Association is a document that defines the purpose of a company, specify the regulation for its operation. The document outlines how tasks should be accomplished within an organization, include the preparation and management of financial record and the process of director appointments. The Article of Association can be considered the constitution of a company. It outlines the rules and regulations that stipulate a company's internal affairs. The Article of Association are also considered a user's manual for an organization that state the purpose of the organization and its strategy to accomplish its short-term and long-term goal. Components of Article Association. The Article of Association will usually specify the way a company issues stocks, distribute dividend, and perform financial record. The document is focused on giving the reader information about the method of a company used to achieve its daily, monthly, and yearly goal. The Article of Association are relatively similar in any part of the world, even though the accept term and items vary across jurisdiction. In general, include the following. In first one, provision of the company name, purpose of the company, share capital, organization of the company, and provision or shareholder meaning. These are the in first one, company required to file an article of association. First one is unlimited company, second is companies limited by guarantee, and third is private company limited by shares. In this session, important question asked in the examination: define AOA, Article of Association, in documentation briefly with the example. Thank you. This session is powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, we will discuss in the problem solving. Thank you.